Welcome. If you're ready to bring a fresh, bright look to your Instagram experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest way to enable light mode on Instagram, so you can enjoy a clean, classic appearance every time you open the app. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This takes you to your personal profile page, where you can see your posts and account details. Now, focus on the top right corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap those lines to open up more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can customize your Instagram experience to match your preferences. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Accessibility and Translations. Tap on it to open even more settings designed to make Instagram work better for you. Within this section, look for the option that says Dark Mode. Tap on it and you'll see 3 choices: On, Off, and System Default. To enable light mode, simply choose Off. This will immediately switch Instagram to light mode, giving your feed and profile that familiar white background and bright feel. That's it. You've just updated your Instagram to light mode in a few easy steps. If you ever want to switch back to dark mode or let Instagram match your phone's settings automatically, you can return to this menu and pick the option that suits you best. Enjoy browsing, posting, and connecting in light mode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might want to brighten up their Instagram too. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.